Hello student. Now this is a very important topic, optical isomerism. Clear? Now in this topic there is a plane polarized light. We will read optical activity, enantiomer, chiral center and chirality. Chiral या chiral, this is also called chiral, chiral. Okay. Now what is the optical isomers? You know, in the last topic, what is the isomer? The compounds having same molecular formula but different molecular structure. But in case of structural isomerism, the same molecular formula, same structural formula, but they are different physical and chemical properties. Now the optical isomerism, same molecular formula, same structural formula, same physical and chemical properties. Clear? But the change is they differ in their behavior towards light. PPL means plane polarized light. Now suppose you have AB compound, after mirror image the structure is different. This is based on the angle. Okay. Now the full explanation with the example we will discuss after. We will discuss. Okay. Now there is a exception, except optical active chemical reaction. It means कि suppose you have optical active compound react with optical active compound. Now that case the chemical properties is different, but now in your examination you write only this definition. Say the compounds having same molecular formula, same structural formula and same physical and chemical properties. Clear, student? Okay. Now the first, what is the nature of light? This is a full explanation of optical isomerism. Now first you check what is the ordinary light. So you know this is a sun is a nature of light. Yeah. So you know the sun have electromagnetic waves. Sun have electromagnetic waves. So electromagnetic waves, the direction of electromagnetic waves of this. Okay, you know in physics chapter. Okay. Now electromagnetic waves. There is a two waves. The first is the electric field waves and the second is magnetic field. There is a vibration. So electromagnetic waves donate electric field and magnetic field vibration. So you know this is the ordinary lights, tube light, bulb. This is the ordinary light. You know very well. Okay. Now this is a vector form. Electromagnetic vibrates in all planes perpendicular to direction of propagation of light. You know very well this is ordinary light. Clear? Any doubt in this topic? Okay. This is the electromagnetic waves. Yeah, electromagnetic waves. There is a two types of vibration, electric field and magnetic field vibration. So you know this is the ordinary light. Ordinary light show the light in all the direction. Okay. The light in all the direction. Clear? Now this is not very important, but in the case of ordinary light. So now ordinary light pass in Nicol prism. This is what? Polarizer. The polarizer is made by Nicol prism, and Nicol prism is made by calcium carbonate. This is a calcium carbonate Nicol prism. So when ordinary light pass through the Nicol prism, so then after it converts to plane polarized light. Now plane polarized light, this is a straight direction. It means when ordinary light passed through a Nicol prism, it means the cut of all vibration except for any one plane. मतलब इसमें all direction this is cut off and only one direction is left. मतलब सिर्फ सब cut हो जाएंगे, only one direction is left. So this is what? Plane polarized light, and the short name is PPL. Yeah, this is ordinary light. Unpolarized, this is unpolarized because the direction in all because the direction in all the side. Okay, but plane polarized light, this is only one direction. So this is unpolarized, this is plane polarized. Clear? Now in the case of optically active, which can rotate PPL, if the optically active compound is there, it means which can rotate PPL. So how to prove? So first you consider these topic, then after full explanation with the example. Okay. Now you have a polarimeter. The polarimeter, what is a polarimeter? Polarimeter check the optical check and measure the optical activity. Okay. Now how to find? Suppose you have the source of ordinary light. You know the sun. Clear? The sun gives ordinary light. Yeah. Now ordinary light pass in Nicol prism. This is what? Polarizer. When passes through the Nicol prism, it converts to PPL. Clear? Already explained in this topic. Okay. Now in this case there is a polarimeter tube. This is a polarimeter tube, and the solution of chemical compound added in this polarimeter. Now the result, the formation of result. Now what is the result? Suppose PPL plane polarized light passed through the polarimeter tube. There is a optical active or optical inactive compound. I don't know कि there is a optical or inactive compound. Okay, this is a experimental method. Clear? This is a experimental method. So you put the chemical compound and check the optical activity or optical inactivity. So when PPL light pass through the solution, this solution, suppose the light directly same as PPL, it means unaffected PPL. So this is what? Optical inactive compound. Now this PPL converted, this PPL passed to this solution, and the PPL converted on the clockwise direction. It means definitely the polarimeter have optical active compound, and clockwise direction it means dextro-rotatory. Dextro-rotatory means positive. The angle of theta is positive. Now suppose PPL pass on this polarimeter, the PPL direction on the anti-clockwise direction. This is also a optically active compound, and anti-clockwise direction it means this is levo-rotatory, and the denoted by negative charge, yeah, minus. Okay. Now how to check which has more optical active compound, clockwise or anti-clockwise direction? When the theta is more, when the theta means angle is more, it means optical activity is more. Now in the case of this method, you put the concentration of this solution. When you add in polarimeter chemical compound, the concentration of this chemical compound is always 1 gram per ml, and the length of this polarimeter tube is 1 decimeter or 10 centimeter. So now how to check the specific rotation? When you have theta of the compounds and the length and the concentration, then you easily find the specific rotation of the optical active compound. So in the nature, maximum compounds is optical inactive, and only there is some optical active compound. This is in minimum form. Okay. So now how to know optical active compound? How to know optical active? So now in this case, optical active compound have disymmetric compound. In your book there is the asymmetric, but asymmetric is a wrong method. The right name is a disymmetric. Asymmetric in your board, this is right, but in other books you check on internet or any books, any reference book, there is a disymmetric word is there. So disymmetric is the right thing. Okay, so now disymmetric or unsymmetrical compound is there, it means optical active. Chirality is there, it means optical active. Now your hand, just your अपने hand को mirror के सामने रखो, तो just opposite direction, it means what? This is optical active. अब अगर आप अपने हाथ को मिरर के सामने रखोगे तो जस्ट अपोजिट फॉर्मेशन होगा, तो दिस इज नॉट ओवरलैप. ओके ओके, नाउ दिस इज व्हाट? handedness, and non superimposable mirror image formation is there. So this is not important for your syllabus or competitive. Now chirality means compound is disymmetric. The disymmetric compound is there. So what is disymmetric? Now check with example. Okay, now you have a lactic acid. The name of IUPAC name of lactic acid 2-hydroxypropane 1-oic acid. This is a 2-hydroxypropane 1-oic acid. Now in this case, it rotates 180 degree. So theta is positive because this the clockwise rotation is there. It means this is dextro-rotatory, clockwise. Now this is a dextro-rotatory. It means alpha is equals to plus x. Now it converts to anti-clockwise direction. It means alpha is equals to minus x. If the theta is positive, definitely the theta is negative in anti-clockwise direction. And this is what? मिरर इमेज. भाई मिरर इमेज में जो चीज आप सामने खड़े हो वो चीज क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव. और मिरर में पढ़ने के बाद वही एंगल क्या होगा? डेफिनेटली नेगेटिव. एंड दिस इज व्हाट? नॉन सुपर इम्पोजिबल मिरर इमेज. एंड दिस इज अ ऑप्टिकल एक्टिव कंपाउंड. हाउ टू चेक कि दिस इज ऑप्टिकल एक्टिव कंपाउंड? when the center carbon attached with 4 different group. If 4 different group attached with one center carbon, this is what? Chiral center. And this is a chirality, or this is a disymmetric compound, and that this type of compound definitely show optical activity. Now this is a dextro and this is a levo. Suppose this is a levo and this is dextro. इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर आप इसको लीवो लिखते हो तो दिस इज अ डेक्स्ट्रो. देयर इज नो चेंजिंग. ओके, आप इसको डेक्स्ट्रो भी लिख सकते हो, लीवो भी लिख सकते हो. देयर इज अ नॉन सुपर इम्पोजिबल. दिस इज नॉट इम्पॉसिबल, दिस इज इम्पोजिबल mirror image, and this is also called enantiomer. This compound optical active chiral compound. Now what is a enantiomer? Pair of optical isomers. इसका pair which are non superimposable mirror image of each other. देखो ये दोनों एक दूसरे से क्या है? मिरर इमेज है. They differ in rotation. इनका रोटेशन डिफरेंट है. ये 180 डिग्री से रोटेट कर रहा है प्लस से, और तो डेफिनेटली ये माइनस से कर रहा होगा. They differ in rotation of PPL, which rotate PPL equally but in opposite direction. Clear? भाई ये भी ऐसे घूम रहा है, ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में घूम रहा है, तो इसका एंगल अगर पॉजिटिव में तो डेफिनेटली इसका एंगल क्या होगा? डेफिनेटली नेगेटिव. क्लियर? ओके. Now what is the chiral center? तो 100% just wait. 100% गारंटी नहीं होता chiral center का. This is not a 100% proof. तो now only one chiral carbon center. अगर एक chiral carbon center है, suppose you have only one chiral carbon center, it means definitely this compound is optical active. Now suppose you have more than one chiral center is there, it means there's not 100% surety. So all 4 valencies must be satisfied by 4 different atoms or groups of atoms. Clear? देखो, this carbon attached with 4 different group, it is optical active. This carbon attached with 3 different but 2 are same, it is optical inactive. This is optical active because of there is a 4 different group, it is optical, and this is denoted by this carbon denoted by asterisk sign. Okay, clear? So what is a chiral? Clear? Chiral center. Chiral means 4 different groups are there, 4 different groups in one carbon. So one chiral center is there, it means definitely this is 100% chirality is there, and more than one compound, तो there is a 100% श्योरिटी और नॉट. ओके, वहां पर 100% श्योरिटी भी है और नहीं भी है, तो उसको हम बाद में एग्जाम्पल में देखेंगे. नाउ विच हैज chiral center एंड ऑप्टिकल एक्टिव कंपाउंड? सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल क्लोराइड. यू नो सेकेंडरी मीन्स 2 डिग्री. तो देखो सेकेंड कार्बन पे 2 डिग्री है. क्लियर? देन दिस कार्बन अटैच विद 2 अदर कार्बन, दिस इज 2 डिग्री. तो 2 डिग्री में क्या है? क्लोरीन है. दिस इज व्हाट? सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल. एंड दिस इज IUPAC नेम 1,2,2-chloro butane. Clear? So now this carbon, now check this carbon, this is a different group, C2H5, this is CS3, this is H, this is Cl. It means this is a optical active. तो देखो कैसे लिखना है. Up top side is hydrogen, down side is Cl, left hand side is a C2H5 and right hand side is a CS3. This is a 3D image, one for front and one for back. Clear? This is a wedge and dash structure also. दिस इज वेज, दिस इज डैश, कोई भी मान सकते हो किसी को भी. 2 आर प्लेन ऑफ पेपर एंड 1 फॉर वेज एंड 1 फॉर डैश. क्लियर. देखो इन दोनों में चेंजिंग हो रहा है सिर्फ. इट मीन्स एक वेज होगा एक डैश होगा. अगर ये वेज है तो ये डैश होगा. तो डेफिनेटली ये क्या होगा, अगर ये वेज है तो ये यहां पे कन्वर्ट आने के बाद कैसा होगा, डैश. क्लियर. नाउ सेम फॉर दिस इज ऑल्सो chiral center because of no this is not a chiral because 2 symmetrical group is there. This is optical inactive. तो optical inactive होगा this, तो it means in this structure there is a non superimposable mirror image. Enantiomer is there but optical inactive, this is superimposable mirror image. इसका structure कैसा होगा, superimposable. There is no mirror image, there is no enantiomer. Clear. Same as this. देखो इस कार्बन पे चेक करो, there is a 2 similar group, there is no chiral center. इस कार्बन पे चेक करो, there is a 2 similar group, there is a no chiral center. It means optical inactive. And now the cyclo group में देखो कैसे करते हैं. देखो इस कार्बन पे चेक करो, there is a 2 similar group, there is no chiral center. इस कार्बन पे चेक करो, there is a 2 similar group, there is no chiral center. इस कार्बन पे चेक करो, there is a 2 similar group, there is no chiral center. It means optical inactive. इसको देखो, इस कार्बन पे देखो, there is a CH3, there is a H. बट इस कार्बन के साथ यहां पर भी CH2 है, यहां पर भी CH2. इट मीन्स सेम ग्रुप इज देयर, ऑप्टिकल इनएक्टिव. इस कार्बन पे देखो, एक तरफ OH है एक तरफ H, एक तरफ CH2 है और एक तरफ ये ग्रुप है कार्बन के साथ. दिस इज ऑप्टिकल एक्टिव डेफिनेटली. इस कार्बन पे चेक करो, 1 इज CH3, 1 इज H, 1 इज CH2 एंड 1 इज डिफरेंट. तो इट मीन्स देयर इज अ 2 chiral center. क्लियर. ओके. नाउ अगेन इसको भी देखो, there is OH1, H2, there is a different. Clear. इस पे देखो 1 हाइड्रोजन 1 CH3, बट यहां पर भी वही सेम ग्रुप है, यहां पर भी, तो there is no chiral. इसको देखो, there is 1 H 1 OH and this side is OHH and this side is HCH3. different, it means 2 chiral. इसमें देखो 1 side is CH3, 1 side is H. इस साइड पे भी CH2 है, इस साइड पे भी CH2. इट मीन्स ऑप्टिकल इनएक्टिव. इसको चेक करो, 1 side is H, 1 side is CH3, 1 side is this cyclic and 1 side is this cyclic, means there is a different group is there. It means 1 chiral and same for this. This is optical inactive. देखो ब्रोमीन क्लोरीन है, 1 side is CH2, 1 side is CH2, optical inactive. इसी टाइप से आपको ये प्रैक्टिस करना है. This is for homework. Just note it down in your notebook. This is for homework. Okay. Clear. Now rule number 1. 1 chiral center, it means optical active 100%. तो 1 chiral center, it means chirality, it means disymmetric. Chiral center is, it means chirality, and chirality is also known as disymmetric. Disymmetric means 4 different groups. और जो optical active होगा, there is a enantiomer. There is a enantiomer, it means non superimposable mirror image, और non superimposable होगा enantiomer, it means 1 is dextro and 1 is levo. किसी को भी कंसिडर कर सकते हो, ये मैंने पीछे बताया था. इफ द कंपाउंड इज ऑप्टिकल एक्टिव, अगर इनएक्टिव होगा तो ये नहीं बनेगा. क्लियर. ओके. 100% क्लियर. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट वीडियो ऑफ ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी, एंड देन आफ्टर द सेकेंड रूल, chiral center, optical isomerism, and the topic is plane of symmetry and center of symmetry. तो प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री और सेंटर ऑफ सिमेट्री से समझेंगे कि द कंपाउंड इज ऑप्टिकल एक्टिव और ऑप्टिकल इनएक्टिव. क्लियर स्टूडेंट. ओके.